Got a couple cans. I got the Bobcat 22 with the Archangel titanium from AWC, Scientific Sparrow on a GSG, Ghost Industries, is it? Yeah, on a Ruger
on
Mark
a
III.
GPI.
We got a USP 9 SD with a SWR Trident 9. My friend calling me on his phone.
What are you talking about, Willis?
Hangover. Trident 9 on a SD, Glock 19 with a AAC Tyrant 9, HK 9mm SD with a Scientific Osprey 9, Beretta 92 Inox with a DeGroat Tactical MK9, HK Tactical 45 with the Osprey 45, and FNP 45 with a SWR HEMS 2. All the cans are shot dry except for the HEMS 2. Alright, let's try this little bastard. First round pop on that can is pretty damn loud, isn't it?
It is.
GSG and Sparrow. I think we put 10 rounds in the 22 posts. Damn it, we're having feeding issues on this little fucker.
There you go. Very nice.
We put
Ghost by GPI.
we put everything else. We put 5 rounds in. This is the SWR Trident 9. Not bad, not bad. The Advanced Armament Tyrant 9 on a 4th gen Glock 19. HK 9 with the Osprey 9 by Silencer Co. DeGroat Tactical on a Beretta, which is usually a louder can. HK with the Osprey 45. I only put 5 rounds in the 45s.
That has, I think, 13 in it.
What?
The FNP 45 Tactical by FN.
I'll just shoot 5. Nice.